I optimize all my trading strategies with a unique feature of Forex Tester Online, and let me tell you that just now they are running a 50% discount. Well, let's come to an example to just show you how easy it is to optimize any strategy. If we come straight to the chart, we can see that I was using a super simple silver bullet trading strategy, very simple, where we're looking for the fair value gaps and we were looking to enter the positions to get a nice risk reward. Once I finish this backtest, we can see that I made a 6%. But what if I tell you that this can get even better in only a few minutes? If I come to analytics, we can basically come to analytics insight, and this will tell me exactly the points that I can improve and the strengths of my strategy. So if I come here to points to improve, I have a few that I can try out and see if this makes my trading strategy even better. And thanks to this, I managed to lift the profit factor, lift the win rate, and not only that, I reduced the drawdown. So if you want to see the complete strategy, the link is just below.